If you want to crop a video in CapCut PC quickly and cleanly, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Cropping is perfect when you want to remove unwanted edges. Focus on one part of the frame, or switch your video into a different aspect ratio for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open CapCut PC and import your video into the project. Once your clip is in the media library, drag it down onto the timeline. This is important because you need the clip placed on the timeline before you can edit it. After that, click on the clip so it becomes highlighted. You'll know it is selected when a white border appears around it. That white border tells you CapCut is ready for you to make changes to that specific clip. Now look at the toolbar directly above the timeline. This is where CapCut keeps most of the main editing tools. Find the crop tool. In some versions of CapCut, it may also be labeled resize, but it does the same thing. Click that icon to open the cropping window. This is where you'll be able to control exactly what part of the video stays visible. In the crop pop-up, you'll usually see aspect ratio options first. If you are editing for YouTube, a 16:9 ratio is usually the best choice because that matches standard widescreen video. If you are making content for TikTok, Reels or Shorts, then 9:16 is often the better option because it gives you a vertical frame. If you do not want a preset ratio, you can leave it on free. That gives you complete manual control over the crop area. Once you have chosen your ratio, click and drag the handles on the crop box. These handles are the corners and edges of the frame. By moving them, you can decide exactly which part of the video to keep and which part to cut off. If there is something distracting on the side, too much empty space, or a section of the frame you do not want, just adjust the crop box until only the important area is shown. Take your time here and preview the composition before confirming. A good crop can make your subject look more centered, cleaner, and more professional. If you are cropping to fit a specific format, make sure the main subject stays inside the visible area so nothing important gets cut out. When you are happy with the result, click the Confirm button in the bottom right corner of the crop window. That applies the changes to your clip instantly. After that, you can play the timeline back to check how it looks. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the crop again until it is perfect. And that is how to crop in CapCut PC. It is a simple process, but once you know where the crop tool is and how to use the aspect ratio options, you can edit much faster and make your videos look a lot more polished. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut PC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.